Welcome to Autoworld of Conway. Today we are previewing this beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang. This car is very well equipped. We'll get to some of those options in a moment, but right now let's admire the beautiful body of this car. Previous owner states this car was repainted its original color 8 months ago, and it still appears very, very fresh. The gap fitment, body panel fitment on this car is outstanding. You'll notice the steel styled wheels with the Firestone Redline tires. F70 14s for those of you. This car is originally poppy red and was repainted to its factory color. It appears that most chrome and bright work was replaced at the time of the repaint. Gas gap taillight bezels also new in appearance. Bumper guards, dual exhaust. This car is a C code equipped 289, which means it's about a 200 horsepower V8. C code being the 5th digit of the VIN, the 2nd digit being an R, denoting San Jose, California produced. This car also has air conditioning that functions, power steering, and you can see someone's taken some liberties. This has been upgraded to a 4-barrel carburetor, electric choke, headers, and here you can see original fender stampings. Still retains its California license plate. You can see it was registered in 2012. Go to the inside and see how she fires up. If I can reach the key. I have personally driven this car over 150 miles. She really has not missed one beat. The dual exhaust has a great tone. I don't know if the microphone will do it justice, but it has a wonderful note as you cruise the road. All the gauges function, speedometer, horn, radio. Air conditioning. included a close-up photo of the data trim tag in the photos that accompany this video. Nice dashboard. Headliner appears to be maybe original, if not, it's older. The attention to detail is very high on this car. Beautifully clean doors, and again, shutting very well. There is one mark in the hood right here that appears that someone scratched it, and it has been touched up. That was prior to our ownership. Again, factory stamps on the body panels, which are still clear. Looks like we had a big rainstorm last night. A little bit of moisture here in the trunk. On that side. This side looks terrific. Appears to have original quarter panel on that side. See the level with which the repaint was undertaken. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video of this gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang 289 air-conditioned poppy red.